Hey everybody, it's the Handbag Hauler here, coming to you with an unboxing today. But before I get into that, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. So here is another bag where I was like, I'm not feeling drawstring bags. However, I purchased the Hattie, I fell in love with it, and now I have another bag, which is a drawstring that I think I'm gonna fall in love with also. So let me get to opening this box here. The box came in very good condition, and I think I did that just trying to put it in my car when I was coming home. So let's open this up here, and so I can show you guys what I got. So this bag was released in September 2022. Now I saw the Pecan Tan Beauty get this bag because it was a gift from Peter Dooney, and at the time that she had it, it was not on the website. But I also follow her on social media, and she posted that it was now on the website and on sale. So I went ahead and I purchased it. I'm looking at the website now, and it's back up to $468. I did not pay that price. So I got it. It was about half off of that, plus an extra $20 with the coupon that I received in my email. So here is the bag. This is the Florentine Drawstring bag. I can tell right now out the box, not even unwrapped, I'm gonna love it. So this is 54 out of 123. So they made 123 of these bags. And if I can tell, this is not a return. Oh God, look at this. Ooh. Look at this, oh my gosh. She was right. This bag is really, really nice. I was also looking at the Belmar bag, but I was trying to decide if I really wanted that because it's on sale now at a really good price. But then when I saw this, I had to get this one. I had to get this bag because what really attracted me to the bag is the drawstring and the braided leather, the two-tone leather braided drawstring. I just really like that detail to it. And then also the strap. I love the buckle strap here with the thicker base. I'm just gonna take this off because there's no need to not take it off because I'm definitely keeping this. So let me go ahead and take this off. Oh, this bag is so cute. Okay, if I can get this off here, I can get more into what the details are of this bag. Okay, so I already showed you the strap here. And you can adjust this if you need to. Right here, you just take and adjust it here on both sides if you need to, okay? It does have a pocket in the back, and I like how it has the red trim to the pocket, and it goes down to about right there if you can see my fingers. So good enough for a cell phone. let's open the bag up here. And it smells so good, of course, like Florentine leather. And it has the normal Dooney setup with the slip pockets on one side and a zipper and a slip pocket on the other. Of course, it has the red interior with the key keeper here. And it has 4 feet on the bottom. Okay. And let me tell you, I'm not even gonna bother doing a what's in my bag, because I'm gonna move into this right now, even though I just moved into something else, but I'm gonna move into this right now. Now, I'd like to use my bag inserts to kind of keep the structure to the bag. So let me find my bag insert. And let me get the card out so I can register the bag right away. I try to do it right away because your girl will forget, okay? I will get in a rush and forget to do that. So let me go and grab a one of my bag inserts. So I'll be right back. Okay, I think this one is going to be too big. Let's see. I just don't feel like looking for the smaller one I have. But I'm gonna have to, because this is definitely gonna be too big. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I grabbed my smaller bag insert, but while I'm doing this, I wanted to compare. If you're looking at this bag, you have the Hattie. I just wanted to compare both bags, and of course, we all know the Hattie has the logo lock here. And my glue situation is still holding up. I'm pressing it pretty hard. And my glue situation is still holding up on my Hattie. But let's talk about the details. So if you look, at both bags, the Hattie is a little taller, it looks like, while it's put together. On the side, might be running a little neck and neck. I'm not sure, but I'll put both dimensions in the description box so that you all can compare for yourself and see what I mean. And you're looking about the same on this end. So that's kind of a comparison with the Hattie, and I'm thinking they're probably gonna hold but about the same, with the exception of the Hattie looks a little bit taller, north-south. So you might get a little more north-south room in this bag versus in this Florentine Drawstring. So I'm gonna go ahead. I know I have to condition this and put my waterproofing on it. So I'll do that later. So I'll go ahead and put my bag insert in here, just to kind of keep that structure. It would be great if they came out with more colors of this bag. That would be really nice. So I got the bag insert in here. As you can see, it's in there. And let me start to add my items in here. And y'all all know what I keep in my bag. Oh, yeah, I'm gonna have to get another wallet. I just came out of that other wallet. Well, I'll do that in a little while. However, you guys know pretty much it's all standard with me. I keep pretty much the same stuff in my bags. My favorite, my notebook, glasses case. I have this wallet because I had this wearing it with my Florentine shoulder bag because of the little kind of, it's off pink, but it's a pink, but it goes really good with my Florentine shoulder bag. So I had this wallet with me. So I'll be right back again. Let me get the wallet I'm gonna carry with this. So I'm gonna have my Florentine wallet here with this. Okay. Yes. So let me throw this in here. I'll change out my wallet later. And then my keys. Can't get this. And it all fits in here perfectly. And I still have some room. And y'all know I'm gonna try to stuff my laptop in anywhere. So I'm just gonna see. I know it's not gonna fit. I just, you know, I gotta just see. And it does, but it sticks out a little bit. And it makes my bag really heavy. But if I need to take my laptop, I have room enough to throw it in there. Yeah, it'll just stick out. But it is, it does fit in there. And so let me close it without the laptop, because with the laptop, of course, I cannot close it. But that's how it looks with all my stuff in it. So there it is. This is too cute, you guys. I love this bag. Now I don't need to get the Belmar, so I'm good. I'm happy with this one. So that is the bag, everybody. I love it. I love it. I love it. This is so cute. So thank you guys again for joining me with this unboxing. And if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for joining me. If you haven't already, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that bell button for my notifications. And I will see you all on my next video. Take care, everybody.